Hey, good morning from Walla Walla, Washington. Oh, just a little after 7, and boy, is it going to be a nice day. And I'll tell you what, I got a lot done on this drill press, getting that old paint off. But I'm just going to have a little drink of coffee here. Very important stuff there. Here, let me take this loose here. Show you around a little bit. You know, I had to get on my knees and get down there and get that paint off, you know. And I got it all around using those terrible angle grinders with brushes and got all the paint off this. And little bits of that filler, but I don't worry about that. That doesn't come off. But I'll tell you, when you're working like that on your knees, you need adequate protection, you know, for your knees. And this is my tip for today, to make sure your knees are absolutely safe from such work. Okay, there you go. Those knees are safe. Yeah, nice and safe. Okay, well, let's have a look. We'll try the knee pads out. Let's apply them. The knee protectors. Oh yeah, look at that. I can just go all around here. See, just safe. Okay, let's get back on the drill press. Look at that. Isn't that nice? There's hardly any specks of paint. And any specks that are on there are really on there. And that's the Morris Machine Tool Company, Cincinnati, Ohio. In an early video, I scraped the rust off this part here. Now, the base here was sitting down in the dirt at the scrapyard, and it looks like I'm just going to go over it a little bit more and get a little bit more of that rust out, if you can see it. Then I kind of went over the table lightly, but I'll get back on that. I'll tell you what, this yellow paint's the toughest paint, safety yellow. They seem to put that on a lot of government machines. Yeah, so I got all of the paint off, and there was a lot of filler on this. You know, you can see there's quite a few casting flaws. I'll put a little Bondo in the worst of that. So it'll look kind of lumpy, like the rest of the stuff around here. Okay, well, I'm getting on the Axelson here, and I started getting the paint off the lower part here, and I'll show you some paint removal action. Get back on here. I hope you're all doing good today. Looks like we're going to have a real nice day here, and I hope you guys have a good day too. So I'll rotate this. This is the craziest thing I got here, but it works. There we go. Kind of get it low, and maybe you can see. I'm going to take some paint off this edge here. Oh, just about, let me get a little closer. And maybe a little lower. Yeah, it's just really nice here. And it's not as hot. We'll try that. This thing's probably going to fall over now. Yeah, I think that'll work. Now, I got this scraper. Let's see if I got a paper towel here. This would be easy to make. I'm thinking about making a heavier one. It takes really big inserts. But I just got a DNMG insert in there. And this kind of works like a vise. There's two pieces here. There's this screw that'll pull it together and clamp it. See how it's got that space? Then there's this jack screw here that really locks it in. But I wanted to show you the action of this. Oh, wrong way. And it's just real gentle. I'm not pushing or working very hard at all. Okay. I got a little bit of a dent there I got to knock out. Got to do a little bit of body work. Hope I'm not too much in the way there. Let's see if I get you a little more situated there. I don't know. Hopefully you can see okay. Kind of angled down. But I wanted to show that actually, oh, I get that backwards. You want to go from this side here. And it works. See, isn't that nice? I got to take a file and get these sharp things. That's sharp enough to cut you right there. This old machine had some use. I'll come from the other side. That's right. I think sheet metal like this is the hardest thing to remove paint. And this is really nice. It just doesn't dig in. Uses regular carbide inserts for a lathe. And it gives you exactly 8 edges for scraping. All right. Well, I think you got the gist of that. Let me get over here. Still got our safety knee pads. You know, see, they're taking a beating there, but, you know, hold on. You just got to do what you got to do. Now, the next thing I'm going to show off is I made some milling machine furniture. I just can't leave things alone. So let's go take a quick look at that. Please excuse the mess that things are here, but you can see I'm doing really messy things. We're going to get some paint on this. Where are you, Chloe? Get over here. Come on. I'll show you. Show what she does. She polices the sidewalk. Now you get up here and quit policing the sidewalk. Come on. Come on. She makes it so people can't walk on this side of the street. They cross the street. Okay. Here we go. Come on, you. Okay. And here is my milling machine furniture. Isn't that neat? That's just some scraps of wood. I kind of made a box and put 3 holes in the top, glued down an O-ring there. See? Yeah. Now I got a little spot I can keep the tools I mostly use with this vertical head. And I'm gonna make something like that for the jig bore tools I got over here. I got kind of arranged stuff so it's easy to get to. I got such a small space here, and I want to keep it that way. I don't want a whole bunch of space that I have to heat and cool. I've got one machine, and actually a couple of machines that are real temperature sensitive, and one of them being the more jig bore. And if you get much over 75 degrees, that thing really starts to warp. So I like to maintain a temperature as close to 68 or 70 degrees, 20 centigrade. Standard lab temperature, try to keep it close because it just keeps the machines more accurate. And plus pleasant to work in too. So, okay. I guess I can pan around and show the complete disarray. See, I'm still working on this Axelson, setting up the tool and cutter grinder on that. That's like really important stuff. And I don't know, it just keeps going in circles. But eventually, I'm getting this thing shaped up pretty good. Here's the tooling for the jig bore. I should do something. This works pretty good, but I got a couple of new pieces to work with this machine here. Got a lot to do with this machine. There's just a lot of cool things to do with the jig bore, so we got to do them. Okay, so head back out, and I'm going to. I'm just going to scrape paint, and I'm getting really close to putting the primer paint on this and this old Axelson lathe. What are you doing over there, Chloe? So I will be back with more progress. Thanks for dropping by. I hope you have a great Sunday. Bye.